PolyWorks Inspector 2022 now fully supports the Renishaw PH20 probe head, including its 5-axis measurement and head-touch probing capabilities. First, let our powerful assisted sequencing rapidly generate a collision-free 3-axis CMM measurement sequence. Then, using the dedicated toolbar, combine tool orientation change and go-to position steps into single, more efficient 5-axis movements. And accelerate measuring features and comparison points with head-touch probing. With PolyWorks Inspector 2022, easily create CMM sequences optimized for the Renishaw PH20 probe head.